What's up, guys? It's Raph in the Raph Cave. Thanks for coming by and checking out this video. This is an unboxing of a new wide angle lens for my new, it's not really new, but it's my webcam. I'm using a Sony HDR SR11 camcorder as my webcam, and it's great. Quality's fantastic. I look good, lighting's great, everything's fine. But it's kind of a smaller box, you know what I mean? I kind of want to have some more footage of my various RAV Cave items behind me. So hopefully, when I attach this this lens, that it opens it up. So I'm gonna do this in front of you guys. Hopefully, it works out. But this will be an unboxing real quick. I just got this from Amazon. They just dropped it off now on a Sunday. How cool is that? And their app is amazing, by the way. Amazon Prime. On your phone, they actually have a GPS tracker of the delivery driver, and it tells you how many stops until it gets to your house. That's really awesome, right? All right, let's open this up. Of course, guys, I would do but it's so easy to just tear it open. So I'm just gonna tear it open, guys. Okay, this is a new format. I'm not the usual angle, so let's open this guy. Bet that sounded nice and crispy on the Samsung mic, huh? Ooh, what do we got here, guys? All right. Digital professional lens, high definition technology, wide angle. Oh, guys, I'm really curious about what this is going to do to the lens of that. So let's get this. Ooh, I can actually do. Oh, sweet. Black pin. All right, guys, I'm just going to open this guy up here. No special over the head angle for this video. And sesame. Open. What we got inside? Nice little baggie. All right, little black string. What is inside? Ooh. Okay, nothing else in the little baggie. Oh, thank goodness. There is a lens cap. Oh, thank you. Oh, I was so worried there wasn't going to be a lens cap so I can put it on when I'm not using it. But here it is, guys. Wide angle lens. All right, so I haven't done this yet, so I imagine you're just gonna unscrew this back part. Right. Okay, so I guess you can adjust the, as you turn it, you can actually adjust how much wide angle you want. All right, guys, I don't know how this is gonna work. I'm just gonna put on the front and then hopefully it clicks in, okay? So I apologize as if this is gonna be kind of weird. I mean, I could cut it and then put it on, but we'll see. All right, here we go, guys. Yes. Hell yeah, man. This is awesome. Holy crap. I see more than the webcam did, the Logitech. Dude, this is great. And the quality is still the same. Holy crap, guys. This is awesome. What? Holy cow. Guys, welcome to the Raft Cave. Damn, I love it, guys. I love this. It looks really cool. Thank goodness for that lens. Holy cow. I'll leave a description in the link below, or the link of the Amazon below. If you guys have this camcorder or just need a lens for your camera or camcorder, man, this is great. I finally feel like I'm not in a box. Wonderful. I'm very pleased. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this unboxing and setup of the wide lens for my. I am so happy this camcorder as my webcam. It's just fantastic. Sony, excellent, guys. Excellent. Wow, really cool. All right, guys. You have a great day. Thanks for watching this. Like, subscribe, share. I appreciate it. Welcome to the club, the Raft Cave. If you wanted to subscribe, and if you like these videos, click another one. Home theater rules. Raft Cave out.